These days, Rust programming is becoming more important in most of the domains. You might have seen the news that Microsoft, Google, Meta, they are all adopting Rust programming in their applications. The main reason for adopting is it is more safer than using C and C++. I'm Kamal Kumar Mukeri from Apt Computing Labs. I'm having 17 years of experience in C and C++, especially worked on Linux environment. I worked in multiple domains like network security, embedded systems, automotive, and optimizing the network traffic. So when I started working on Rust programming, I am so impressed that how it has made my programming so disciplined. Especially, it does not compile the code if there is any undefined behavior. There are great features to discuss about Rust programming, along with the tool chain kit and the package manager. Lot many tools are there. So we are going to offer a course on Rust programming for 24 hours. So it starts from April 6th, Monday. Timings and all the details are given in the link description. So here we are going to discuss more about the borrowing and ownership, data types, collections, error handling, modules, CRADs, traits, generics, and system programming. After finishing the course, you will be able to easily create Rust programming projects and start working, because we will be teaching the tools which supports developing the projects. Few details about this course: it happens online, it is a Zoom tool, and the recorded videos will be provided to the participants. Along with the recorded videos, we also provide MCQs so that they can practice and come up with the questions in next session. We'll be giving the projects and the materials which are required for the references. If you find the course is useful, please you can contact me through mail, which is mentioned in the description, and you can also forward it to your friends. And one note is that there is a good offer for the students who are pursuing bachelor's, master's, or PhDs, so that they can gain them more benefit. Thank you all. See you. Bye.